Hello, my name is Vernon Maxwell. Just finished an introductory course for recruitment startup. Very good session I just had today. Very informative. Went over all the different modules to start up a recruitment agency. Joe was very helpful with questions and answers. I learned a lot actually at the moment, obviously because of the current climate and the overseas and the shortage of skills in the UK. So that's something new that I learned today, that you can recruit from overseas and employ in the UK, which obviously you can do, but the laws have been changed. So it's good to get up to speed with what's actually going on with current times. Yeah, I recommend this course to anyone and everyone really. There's lots of jobs out there, lots of job opportunities. So to create jobs and give people jobs this is the perfect time to do that for now, especially if you want a job, career change or anything like that. Or just something that's interesting and diverse, changes direction as you grow your business, and the sky's the limit.